Welcome to Enlighten Study Point.
Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. আজি আমি এই ভিডিঅ'ত Assam Legislative Assembly 2026 New Council of Minister 2026 কোনজন মিনিষ্টাৰে কি ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টত মিনিষ্ট্ৰী পালে তো সেইটো ভিডিঅ' আনিছোঁ। তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তো Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sharma expand his Council of Minister with the induction of 17 new cabinet ministry, including the Chief Minister. 17 new cabinet ministry inducted hoise. Chief Minister was appointed directly by the governor. Governor appointment diye. Aru other minister appointment kori dilo governor on the advice of the Chief Minister. Hoy. Taisot ifine the Honorable Governor of Assam, Sri Lakshman Prasad Acharya. Taisote Speaker of 16th Assam Legislative Assembly. Kun hoy Ranjit Kumar Das. Protem Speaker means temporary Speaker. Kun asile Chandra Mohan Patwari. Also appointment by Governor. Hoy. Next, Hemant Biswa Sharma, the Chief Minister of Assam. So tekhet asot ki department ase Home, Political, PWD Road, PWD Building and National Highway, Power, Information and Public Relation, Printing and Stationery. Next, Sri Rameshwar Teli, Transformation and Development, Labor Welfare, Tea Tribes and Adivasi Welfare. Next, Sri Atul Bora, Panchayat and Rural Development, Implementation of Assam Accord, Border Protection and Development, Excise Department. Next, Sri Charan Boro, Transport, Welfare of Boroland. Next, Srimati Ajanta Niyog, Women and Child Development, Tourism. Next, Ashwini Rai Sarkar, Social Justice and Empowerment, Social Conservation, Welfare of Minorities and Development. Next, Ashok Singhal, Health and Family Welfare, Medical Education and Research. Next, Bimal Bora, Cultural Affairs, Industry, Commerce and Public Enterprise, Act East Policy Affair. Next, Biswajit Doimari, Handloom, Textile and Sericulture, Sports and Youth Welfare, Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Indigenous and Tribal Faith and Culture. Next, Jayanta Mallab Bora, Finance, Environment and Forest, Mines and Minerals. Next, Nilima Devi, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Fishery. Next, Sushanta Borgohai, Water Resource and Judicial. Next, Piju Hazarika, Agriculture, Irrigation, Parliamentary Affairs. Next, Runus Pego, School Education, Higher Education, Tribal Affairs, Plain, Information Technology. Next, Keshav Monto, Revenue and Disaster Management, Science and Technology, Climate Change, General Administration. Next, Sri Kishendu Paul, Public Health Engineering, Hill Area, Barak Valley Development. Next, Kaushik Rai, Food, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs, Housing and Urban Affairs Corporation. So, আজি ভিডিঅ'ত আসাম কেবিনেট 2026 কোনজন মন্ত্ৰীয়ে কি পোৰ্টফলিঅ দিয়া হৈছে সেই বিষয়ে ডিসকাস কৰা হ'ল আৰু নেক্সট 5টা বছৰ নতুন নতুন পলিচিৰে মিনিষ্টাৰসকলে ভালকৈ পাৰফৰ্ম কৰক এই আশা কৰিছোঁ। থ্যাংকস ফৰ ওয়াচিং দ্য ভিডিঅ' জয় অসম।